Okay, let's take a look at this example. Again, I have 4 and 1/2 equals 18% times what number? My unknown, n. Okay, I have to find value of n. N is multiplied to 18. In order to cancel 18 from n, I have to divide both sides equation by 18%. And 18% will cancel out. I'm going to have n equals 4 and 1/2 over 18%. Please notice that in the numerator I have mixed number. I have to convert mixed number to improper fraction simply by multiplying denominator by the whole number, and the result I have to add to the numerator. That's why I have 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9 over 2. Okay, I'm going to make this fraction more visible by adding parentheses. And because I have fraction in the numerator, I'm going to also make fraction in the denominator, simply by writing 18% over 1. Remember, fraction bar stands for the division. Anytime we divide fractions, we have to copy first fraction down, so I have 9 over 2. And division sign we have to change to the multiplication, and we have to flip the second fraction upside down. So I have 1 over 18%. Check if we can reduce any numerator with any denominator because we have multiplication. Okay, we can do that. So I have 9 and I have 18. 9 and 18 are divisible by 9. That's why I'm going to have 1 over 2 times 1 over 2%. Okay, now I can perform the multiplication. Numerator has to be multiplied by the numerator, so I have 1 over 4% because 2 times 2 is 4%. Remember, we don't like to have percents in the denominator. In order to eliminate percent from the denominator, I have to multiply whole fraction by 100%. I'm going to multiply by 100% over 1. Percent and percent will cancel out. Okay, and 4 is divisible by 4, and 100 is also divisible by 4. This is going to be equal n. I have 1 over 1 times 100 divided by 4 is 25 over 1. 1 times 25 is 25 over 1 times 1 is 1. 25 divided by 1 is 25. The answer to my problem is n equals 25.